Hello children, today we're going to talk about adjectives. So let's have a look here. Qutub Minar is a tall building. So the word in blue is an adjective. But before I tell you what that is, let's have a look at some nouns in this sentence. So can you see any nouns? So there are two actually. So Qutub Minar, right? That is a noun. But there's one more. Building. So building is a noun. And the word tall, which is an adjective, tells us something more about the noun. It gives us more information about the noun. So that is an adjective, a word that tells us more about a noun. So Qutub Minar is a tall building. Maybe it's also a beautiful building. Maybe it's also an old building. So all these words, tall, old, beautiful, they tell us more about the noun. So, grapes are sweet. So, the word in blue is an adjective. Can you see any noun in the sentence? Grapes, right. So, which word gives us more information, tells us something new about grapes? Right, sweet, yeah? So, sweet is some quality of the grapes. Maybe the grapes are also fresh, or maybe they're also juicy, or maybe they're also big, yeah? So all these words are adjectives. So the computer is very useful. So the word useful is an adjective, but maybe the computer is also expensive, maybe the computer is also old, yeah? So all these words, they are adjectives, yeah? Through them, we get more information about the computer. They tell us more about it. And Kanta is a pretty girl. So pretty is again an adjective. Maybe Kanta is also an intelligent girl, yeah? Or maybe she's also a hardworking girl, yeah? So these are also adjectives. So let's have a look here. Rahman is my best friend. So very often an adjective, best here, stands before a noun, yeah? This is an interesting story. So again, here the adjective stands before a noun, yeah? Let's have a look here. So he was quite lazy, or the horse is fast. So we have the word is. So what is is? Is a verb, yeah? And usually if we, in the sentence, it can often also stand behind the verb, yeah? So behind is. Or she looks beautiful. Can you see any verb in the sentence? Right, looks, yeah? So if we don't really have any noun in the sentence and we only have a verb, so we can put the adjective behind the verb. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Okay, let's have a look here. So in this exercise, we have to find the the adjectives. So I am quick, yeah? So what is the adjective? Quick, right. The rose is black. So what is the adjective? Black, right? Or our locality is dirty. So any adjective that you see? Dirty, right. So we have different kinds of adjectives. So most of the adjectives that you will see will be adjectives of quality, yeah? So they tell us about the quality of a person or a thing. They give us more information about an adjective. So it is a cheap watch. The tree is quite big, yeah? These are adjectives of quality. We also have adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much, yeah? So there is no milk in the jug. So the word in blue, no, is an adjective. It tells us how much. We don't have any money. So again, the word any tells us how much. It is an adjective of quality. So he wants some money, yeah? So again, some tells us how much. So it is an adjective of quantity. Then we have adjectives of number. Well, similar to adjectives of quality, but it tells us how many, yeah? So there are 2 books on the table. So 2, yeah, it's a number, so it's an adjective of number. We also have demonstrative adjectives. I like this storybook, yeah? Or these flowers look nice. So demonstrative adjectives are words like this, or these, or that, or those, yeah? And then we have possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives tell us if something is mine, something is ours, yours, yeah? So a house is big, yeah? So our is a possessive adjectives, yeah? So her teddy bear is on the bed. So the words like my, our, your, his, these are possessive adjectives. All right? Thank you very much.